If you have a wine bottle, water, and a windowsill, you can now have an herb garden. Makers Nate Littlewood and Rob Elliott from Urban Leaf have developed a fun, low-maintenance way for you to start growing your own herbs. Setup couldn't be easier. Each insert is filled with nutrient-rich, smart soil that will keep your herbs growing for up to 6 months. Pop the insert into a water-filled dark glass bottle and add the included seeds. Place it in front of a window, and that's it. The herbs are ready to grow. The plant even waters itself for the first 30 days. We're about 3 weeks into our basil here, and we're seeing really good growth. Nate and Rob met at Columbia University in early 2016 and immediately bonded over their shared passion for urban gardening. They wanted to help people connect with food by making it easier to grow, especially in tight spaces like their own New York City apartment. Now with Urban Leaf, there's no green thumb or space or time needed to make a garden grow.